Hey, what's up, guys? Chris Coombs here, running my video for the Zion Williamson Mosaic rookie. We got our list right here. We got Richard for 1, Henry for 2, Justin for 1, Zachary for 1, Ryan for 2, Justin for another 1, Zachary for another 1, and Richard for the final 1. I want to thank you all for getting in and filling this. And we're going to go live. Live time is 11:11. Current time 11:11. New giveaway. Let's see. All right. Roll the dice. Anything over snake eyes, and we get going. Dice roll at 11:12. Here we go. All right. Gonna roll this 10 times. 10 times. All right, Marky, I'll check into that after. All right. First time at 11:12. Good luck, everybody. Ryan. Second time, we got Justin. Third, Ryan. Fourth, Justin. Fifth, Justin. Sixth, Henry. Seventh, Zachary. Eighth, Ryan. Ninth, Ryan. 10th and final at 11:12. Winner is Ryan. Takes it with spot number 6. Wow, dominated that. Congratulations, Ryan. I can't believe how much you were on top there. All right, guys. I appreciate everything. Here's our verification code. We're going to come back here. I'm going to close this down. Maybe not. All right, we're going to go done. And our done time is 11:13. Current time 11:13. Thank you and have a good night.